We're at the Rooftop bar at Armature, right next to the Riverwalk in downtown Tampa. We have over 40 rums, and then the drinks are on some more tropical, a little lighter fare, and the food as well will be a little Spanish, a little Mediterranean, so it kind of captures that feel of these warm kind of vacation spots. This is kind of our take on like a painkiller or like a pina colada. Orgeat syrup, fresh pineapple juice, guava coconut cream. Guava being like one of those Tampa flavors. Fresh lemon juice, and Smith & Cross, which is this cool like Navy strength Jamaican rum. Fresh ice, so you're not getting hit with all that Navy strength at once. Close your eyes. You feel beachside or poolside. Great decor, great drinks, and it's a really great view of downtown Tampa.
Armani's has been here for probably 30 years. We are basically Italian, Northern Italian cuisine. We have the view, I think, in Tampa. If you go out on our terrace, you can see downtown Tampa, or you can watch the planes take off and land. You can see the stadium, so the view is amazing. Armani's Aperol Spritz. Aperitif is a cocktail meant to be drank before dinner to stimulate the appetite. So that's what the classification of Aperol is as well. Prosecco. And that is the Armani's Aperol Spritz. It's very refreshing.
I love Tampa. I love the heat. I'm from South Africa. I love the heat. I love the sun. I couldn't work on an indoor bar after this.
It's one of the best rooftops in the Tampa Bay area. Definitely the best one in South Tampa. Ruby Smash. It's made with fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed lime juice, and agave syrup, vodka origin, grapefruit bitters, basil leaves, grapefruit Ruby Smash. They're both really balanced.
It's a place to come and drink and be social. No hidden gimmicks on that one.